Hello, this is Team Black and Yellow, and we will be presenting our CZ2006 Software Engineering project DengueGo, a real-time mobile application for tracking dengue clusters. Our team members include Wang Kangshin, Sham, Shreya, Cherming, and me, Ankita Anil. We will first start our demonstration with the user registration functionality. We can click on this text button to register. As per our security functionality, we have decided for our user to validate the email via OTP first and then enter their name and password for the app. Let's put my email ID ankita.anil. If we enter an invalid email format, suppose just ankita.anil, this is the error that pops up. Suppose we enter a registered email, the app notifies us as well. Finally, by putting the right email, we get an OTP. Moving forward, if we enter an incorrect OTP, so over here it is 121354. So I enter 121353. The app notifies us that it's an incorrect OTP. Now, if I put in the right OTP, we can finally register. Now we can enter our details, the name and password. Suppose I forget to enter the name. It tells us to enter the name as well as the password. Suppose I enter the name, Ankita, and enter a password less than 6 characters. Once I registered, it lets me know that as well. Now I can finally register my account. Now I'm logged in. Moving on to our main application functionality. Firstly, the user will land on the home screen, which shows a map with dengue location markers as well as a search bar. If the user is within 3 km of a dengue cluster, we will receive this urgent alert box which indicates all the clusters that are near the user. We can press the noted and exit the alert box. If you see closely, the markers are of different colors and its meaning can be understood from the legend page. Firstly, let's search for a user. Let's search for Good Link Park, and once we select, it will zoom into the location as well as show this pop-up card that contains all information regarding this location, the cluster name, location cases, cluster cases, and the risk zone. If we tap on the Google map, we can zoom out to the initial position. Additionally, the information is shown when the user taps on the markers. We can also see the user's current location by pressing this button. Suppose I have a friend living in this area and I want to track the clusters. We can just tap on this icon and it will be saved in my saved locations. I am adding other clusters as well to my saved locations. Here in the saved page, we can see all the cluster locations that we saved earlier and we can remove them as well. Moving on to another feature, we have a survey that calculates the risk of being infected by dengue. So let's answer these questions to find out. This will lead to a result page which displays our survey score and the risk zone. We can retake the survey or enable the notifications to send us daily reminders. By changing the device's time to the next day, this is the notification we get, and it redirects us to the notification screen with reminders based on the risk zone, which is saved in the database. Additionally, we can access the reminders by clicking on this notification bell. Now we will go back and change the time to show other functionalities. This is the information page, including FAQ information as well as this dengue awareness video with these video controllers.
Check and protect our homes from dengue. Look out.
This is the account screen that shows the user information as well as this functionality to change the password, which is similar to the forgot password functionality that will be demonstrated later. Let's log in using my different account, Ankita001. Let's log in using my different account, Ankita001, that I've used previously, but I forgot my password. So I'll go to this page, Forgot Password. We will first enter the invalid format as demonstrated earlier. The app notifies us. Suppose we enter an email that doesn't exist in the database. The app notifies us as well. Finally, moving on to the proper email, we have received the email to reset my password. After I reset and log in, again in the login page, suppose I make a few errors. Invalid email format, an email that doesn't exist, and now with the correct email but wrong password. The app shows us this error as well. Finally, with the right password, we have successfully logged in with all this information saved from previous login. We can log out of our application, and this concludes our demonstration. Hope DengueGo inspires and motivates you to help fight against dengue. Thank you.